NFT mania grabbed the attention and imagination of both crypto owners and mainstream collectors in 2021, thanks to the surging popularity of platforms like NBA Top Shot that's netted several early investors millions of dollars in profit. Is NBA Top Shot a slam dunk for sports memorabilia collectors, or will it be more like the Lakers 2022 season and keep you waiting for something that never eventuates? NFTs are a pretty polarizing topic, so let's review what all the fuss is about. I'll also open a pack later in the video to see if I can bag a rare one. NBA Top Shot is a blockchain based marketplace and platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade specific official licensed NBA video highlights as unique digital collectibles that fans can own forever. The platform is easy to use even for non crypto users, and trading is limited to the official NBA Top Shot marketplace at the moment. The NBA Top Shot trading platform is a joint venture between the NBA, the National Basketball Association, and the NBA Players Association and Dapper Labs, a Canadian blockchain developer that was established in 2019. Like trading cards, fans can collect the NBA highlights by buying, selling, and trading them. But unlike paper based cards, the NBA Top Shot collectible, known as a moment, is a digital only tokenized video clip created and issued as an NFT on the Flow blockchain. The concept of NBA Top Shot is like regular traditional trading cards in that both can be bought, sold, and traded between sports fans. Each moment or card has a different value, which is determined for the most part by the traders themselves. But instead of being printed on paper, NBA Top Shot moments are stored in NFTs issued on the Flow blockchain, which is a digital permanent record that provides full ownership and provenance for holders. Initially, each collectible gets introduced onto the platform as part of a limited pack drop, sold to NBA Top Shot users on a first come, first served basis at a fixed retail price, for example, $199. Each package consists of a set of numbers of unknown and random moments. The appeal of this is that it provides a level playing field for all customers to potentially strike it lucky and unearth a valuable and rare Top Shot in their pack. So going back a step, what are NFTs? An NFT is a unique unit of data stored on a blockchain which certifies that its associated digital asset, such as an image, file, or video, is one of a kind and therefore not interchangeable with other digital assets. This is in contrast to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ether, which are fungible or mutually exchangeable assets, meaning one Bitcoin could be exchanged for another Bitcoin because they have exactly the same characteristics in value, for example. This characteristic of NFTs make them best suited for the creation of one-of-a-kind assets like NBA Top Shots. So what are NBA Top Shots? Each Top Shot moment comprises a short video clip that replays a particular highlight in NBA history, such as LeBron James' first one-handed slam against the Sacramento Kings, or Jason Tatum turnaround three against Brooklyn Nets, or anything Ja Morant. Once you buy a Top Shot moment, it's stored in your digital wallet, allowing you to view the moments at any time, show them to your friends, or sell them in the official marketplace for profit. Every moment has a fixed and specific number of copies, each with their own serial number. The number of copies of an NBA Top Shot moment helps determine its rarity and value. Other factors such as featured players and serial number also affect the price of each Top Shot. The disparity in prices is high, and some moments fetching over $200,000 while others struggle to sell for a few dollars. There's two ways to buy moments. Buy them in packs from the NBA Top Shot website, or buy specific moments on the official marketplace from a community member. Either way, you need an NBA Top Shot account. First, I'll talk about purchasing from the marketplace. You might be eyeing a specific moment. You might just have a favorite player or team and you don't really care what the highlight is. Either way, head over to the marketplace and buy from another user. First, you search for the specific moment. Click the search bar and look for the moment you're choosing. You can filter out based on the player, team, set, tier, price, game start and end date, and more. Next, you select to buy. Once you've found what you're looking for, click on it and click select to buy. You'll be shown a list of sellers and their prices. You can see prices are quite arbitrary with vast differences in pricing even between moments with the same content. Note that you can buy 2 or more moments if needed. Once you've chosen a seller, click on select a moment at the bottom. The platform accepts 2 modes of payment, credit cards or crypto. If you opt for the former, you'll be asked for your credit card details. If you prefer to pay with crypto, You can top up your Dapper wallet with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, USD Coin, and you can also pay directly with Flow, which is the blockchain's native digital asset. The other way you can do it is buy a random pack. You can get a starter pack for a fairly cheap price, which consists of 4 moments. There are varying odds for the types of moments you'll receive, as you can see here. So let's buy and open one next. All right, I've just gone through the payment process and I bought a starter pack. So I'm going to open it up now and see what I've got. Love that sound. This is exciting. I think I'm going to make more videos like this. Let's go. Click to reveal. Common. James Harden. Ooh. Not doing that too much at the moment. All right. Let's look at the next one. Another common. Shengun. He's playing pretty good. Looking like some bonus. Let's look at this next one. Let's go. Okay, Finney Smith. That's nice. All right, last one. Let's go. Josh Hart. That's not too bad. It's a bit sad he doesn't play for them anymore, I guess. So that's my pack. Wasn't a great pack. Wanted some legendaries. But the chances are pretty low, I guess. Now that we've got these moments, how do we sell them? Selling your moments on the marketplace is even more straightforward than buying them. Just go over to your moments page, choose which moment you want to sell and click on it, and click place for sale. The NBA Top Shot platform is exclusively reserved for NBA Top Shot NFTs and doesn't allow you to buy other Dapper Labs collectibles such as the Crypto Kitties. You can buy packs. As I already showed you, packs are a random collection of moments that you can buy at an advertised price directly from NBA Top Shot. In general, it's cheaper than buying moments on the secondary market, where the price may get inflated if it's collectible enough. However, you won't know exactly which moments you'll get until you open the pack. Sets. Sets are curated collections of Top Shot collectibles. Think of them like decks in trading cards. For example, the Rising Stars set is a collection of moments of younger players and rookies like Bones Highland and Scotty Barnes, while the Throwdown set consists of 20 of the most memorable dunks in recent history, putting a new dimension on being put on a poster. Tiers. A moment's rarity level is determined by its tier. The platform has 4 collectible tiers: common, rare, legendary, and ultimate. The common tier pack contains around 10,000 or more copies, while the rare and legendary tiers respectively have about 150 to 5,000 and 25 to only 500 moments. Not much is known about the ultimate tier other than the fact that no packs are available yet and that it's the rarest of all the tiers. Serial number. One of the most important attributes to consider when purchasing a moment or ascertaining its potential value is its serial number. Each Top Shot NFT has a unique serial number linked to it to differentiate it from other Top Shot NFTs depicted in the same highlight. This is where the real collectability and sports memorabilia aspect of NBA Top Shot shine, driving up the value of moments with sought-after serial numbers denoting further meaning to the video clips. As a general rule, lower numbers generally equate to higher prices, but this isn't always the case. For example, a LeBron Top Shot that has a serial number of 6 or 23 might generally be priced higher than a serial number of 2 or 9, since there is numbers. Kobe Bryant related moments with symbolic serial numbers like his jersey number or date of death are also sought after, for example. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click through a few more highlights to finish this video, so stick around if you want to watch a few with me. I'll put up the pros and cons list of NBA Top Shot for you to look at while I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, I'm going to head to the marketplace and I want to look at some of the older highlights. Oh, we've got a rookie Lamar Odom. Okay. All-Star game. All right. Let's load a few more. Oh, white chocolate. White chocolate's always bringing it. What a pass. Obviously here you can select your favorite team. Make searching a bit quicker. Oh, All-Star Vince. Surprised this one doesn't cost more, even though that is a lot of money. It's over. That's a classic. You can see here, this one's a legendary. I'll just look at a couple more. AI. This is another legendary. Another All-Star game. It's a nice up and under. All right, I'll look at one more. I have a soft spot for Danny Granger. Let's have a look at what he did. The quality of the video in the 2000s was horrible. You can see here they've got the stats for the games. When it happened, player stats, season averages. And then here we've got the recent sales for the similar highlights. All right, I might wrap it up here.